welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when I say my house hot. It hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, we are do a little challenge your partner artist thing where me I gonna draw Papa Harry and Papa Harry I gonna draw me. So him claims him is Michael. I don't know the artist them, Michelangelo, D'Angelo, whatever Angelo them is. Him say my whole of them Angelo them. So I don't know how good.
Oh, wicked me is. Oh, Papa Harry one of the wickedest artists in the world. The Angelo, whatever them the law, the whole of them and me one they come the whole of them. Talk to them.
Well, guys, I am just Miss Porto Ankis. I Porto Ankis, whichever one. She's a good artist, so me, I go show him how my artistic drawing is.
She better good because she was drawing ugly people over the sauce and me see. Oh, your problem. Can you draw as pretty as we can? That doesn't show come out with you.
Well, the same thing goes for him too, guys. So anyway, guys, before we get any further into this, remember, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell things of mine, so no do not miss a post when you girl Mama Joan post. So before further ado, we are going to go right into this video now. Yes. Alright, so we're going to start with the tracing of the video, and then we're going to show you guys the color where we are going to use.
So honey, how me go see your face?
Because, oh, you mean you see my face sit down right in front of me so you can't see how pretty me is?
Oh, see, I look over the stuff and you look over the stuff and
yes.
Oh my God, you're good. Okay. So go and look by your face.
Okay.
Go and me post.
Well, you know me I go start with? The first thing me I go put on the page is your nose.
The nose?
Yes.
Well, you put the nose on the face, this thing, and you don't see your face. Anyways.
Me I see your face, but the biggest thing by your face right now is your nose, and that's the first thing I go put on my sketch.
Yeah, I think I will work with the glasses. It's got more of the features, you know, and all of the dimples and things. Yeah, see them good.
Yeah, see?
Yes.
Okay.
See, I'm Milos. What do you call it?
You know what, it's okay.
Milo whiskers.
It's okay. Let's do the eye. Okay, then we need to put some here. So now I am going to do my color. Why me I tell you, honey, you're so pretty. How's that skirt? So now for my color, I'm gonna use the light brown. Because Papa Harry is not that dark like his wife, so I'm using a light brown for his color. Them have a song where they say, please accept me for what I am and please accept me for who I am. Because all I wanted to do is to be you. Okay? Papa Harry, in I'm artistic.
Yeah, no, he's trying to get the details.
He's doing in Pascasco.
When you're doing the details, you have to
look
and concentrate and you have to see. Me can't chat like you, you know. Make sure me look good when you don't know. I know how you talk and you draw. And you're not, I know me not see you look for me yet.
That's not true. Me look for you from long time.
I remember all of it.
All of your features them. Remember all of your features them before me even things. So remember everything. So me look for you from long time.
Oh, with the brush. You're not giving a brush, okay? With the brush. And then this?
Yep.
Okay.
My Lord. For crying out loud. It's a challenge, man.
Yeah, but you have to give me my tool, them. You can't just...
Did you give me my tool?
And then you make the challenge on it. You get the tool, them.
Hey, as me say, so this is my, what you call it? My poetry. And my poetry is coming on just fine. Look very good. I like what I have here. Okay, so this is Papa Harry color now. So this me done with. Sweet piece of young man, you see, Lord of mercy. His only thing he is kind of lopsided, but if you look on it now, just looking on your pan it kind of look lopsided still. So I think we get it right.
Yeah, but if it's lopsided, do you get it right?
Because it is lopsided by your head.
sound good at all.
So me that me can help you.
What we can definitely say, if we take a picture of this and take one with you, you would even know the difference. The way this look like you. I try my best to get details and everything. So, you know.
Well, hey, the same goes for you too, you know, Papi. You know, don't worry, and the same thing.
You'll get married and me have a choice between you and that picture. Right? Well, that picture is pretty full of my to picture only. If me did in my days and buck up and somebody look like this compared to you, you would have married to the picture. That's how good it look. And it still favor you, you know. And you do.
And the same thing me I said about you too. Me I tell you very handsome over here, so it's ridiculous how handsome you is, baby. You're so sweet. Stop prep.
You don't have to look for your face, man. You need to see. You don't look for your picture.
Oh, me think I'm
and
a
your
picture.
face.
Yeah.
You look for. That's you know how prep. So you know look. That means that me I wonder who you draw over there.
I have your picture in my mind. I don't need to look at you. You're right there in my mind. I am seeing you right now with the nose open up wide. I am seeing you with the ear up inside. I don't need to look at you.
No, shape today, so there's no ear inside.
We see the ear inside of your nose and inside of your ears.
We shaved this morning, honest.
That not stop the ear from being there. I'm just
trying. To shave this morning, that ear is deep.
Well, you can't say whatever. I am just drying what I am seeing.
You know what?
And as I said, it's in my mind. I picture it in my mind, so I don't have to worry about it.
I don't need to do nothing more. Because I see all of your details.
All of my details. Your teeth.
What teeth? Yeah, do your mouth shut.
Oh, well, that's okay. You can do the mouth shut. That's okay. Everybody different.
Yeah, but all your braids, you want to see your braids and look real.
That's okay. I think I finish up with my portrait that I'm doing with Papa Harry, and he's so handsome. I can't believe I have such a handsome man for my husband.
Well, only as me said, we did see this picture before them time that when I married to the picture book. I look through it, something there. I know it was something.
So guys, anyway, I think we can really show the display of this challenge here. So this is Papa Harry. Maybe them younger farm, you know, or just as him is now. It can work for both ways. Younger farm or no. You understand? It can work for both ways. And I think he's what I said? Damn gorgeous. He's sweet.
I am on.
Yes. So
make sure
you know,
that way of the is.
We're gonna reveal.
You're gonna reveal it now?
Yes. Guys, this is my beautiful husband.
This is my sweet, nice, best in the world wife, so she pretty.
This look like a man. Oh my God. No, Harry, this look like you. Thank you. This don't have. Guys who don't look on this and tell me if you don't see this have any kind of woman.
See how your brains on the big
no.
See you know this so it lip dark.
Guys, this don't have no woman looking
at you. Have no woman looking at you, you don't see your brains. You don't have a long ear and
this is straight up man. This is a man. I think this him draw himself. I don't have film one of me draw better
I was looking at you. Because me,
no, sir.
We get this. I mean, I said, this look like you. This can't be. There's no way this is me. This look more family.
I see him have another, guys him have another green top.
What the green top now?
See about the green top.
No, 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 green. No,
Yes,
no, no,
it
green.
don't matter.
Not this green. This is a different green than mine.
Isn't he lovely? He's so wonderful.
First of all, this is a different person from me. This is look like...
Put it against your face, honey. Put it against your face. Put it against your face. Guys, you don't look on this and tell me this.
Hold on. Because I want you to see the details. Take off my glasses.
Isn't that him? Look on this, guys. You don't see this have anything like Mama John. This not even a woman features. This is a man features.
You braids them, Joan.
No, what about the braids? What about the features? This look like your ear them by your head when your ear not there.
But you don't have no ear by your head, Joan.
This is so freaking funny, guys.
Well, this is so real. There's nothing to laugh. This looks exactly like a...
Look at him nose. Look at him nose. Look like you.
Awesome. This are big this. You don't say this. This and this. If I saw me look.
Oh God.
Nah.
Well, this favor avatar. So it's okay. So we know this is that, but we know that is definitely Papa Harry. So anyway, guys, I come to the end of this video challenge. On a comment and let me know which one of them win and tell me how much you love my one that look just like Papa Harry and three one of them draw to look not like Mama Joan. Okay, guys?
You should just say, make sure say my one win. No, me not begging nobody to make my one win. My one, who no tell me because there's no way this could have looked like me and beat that.
Guys, just the nose out. That's the nose alone. I tell you say that a Papa Harry. So guys, now we come to the end of the video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell. Things of mine, so no don't miss a post when we post. And remember, guys, this me I forgot hang it up in my bedroom. The two of them I forgot put together, husband and wife, although them look like two men.
I should keep hang up this. When she's done with this today, she not see it again. Oh,
so
not this one.
Look, panic, guys.
This
look
one.
Look what show them.
You can see that look like she.
That definitely look like.
This don't look like.
Because as you see nose,
no.
the nose fit
Too
the
much
picture,
nose.
and the mouth is the same thing. So the whole of that is Papa Harry.
Because your lip them pretty and look sweet. Your lip them look like something we can kiss. My lip, when my lip there, I lip this.
That's your nose.
My nose.
Yes.
You can't even identify my lip.
Well, see your lip right underneath your nose. See your lip right there. So
when you look on your picture, you can see your lip. You know your lip.
Well, you are Michelangelo and D'Angelo and Donatello, and them they are peer artists. I am not an artist like you, so this is where you get which is what I see, what I have in my head.
That's what you see.
Yeah, so that's what I put. So
you ever look at me one time.
So if you do this for me, then guys, that's it. And anyway, guys, we will soon in another video.